Hi, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home, and it's Friday, so that can only mean one thing for our Key Stage 1 session. That is when we look at one word and we build more words containing that word by putting some suffixes on. Suffixes are extra bits that go on the end of words and they change the meaning of that word. So our word that we are going to be using today, and I want you to try and sound this out at home using your phonics, I've put the sound buttons on for you, is this. And that is, sound it out at home, rain. And we have had a lot of rain this week, haven't we? So it's very apt that I have chosen rain for today. So the word rain can have extra things, extra letters or morphemes, we call them, on the end of it, and that changes the meaning of the word. So it might change when it's happening. It might be changing the word class, so it might change from a noun into a verb or into an adjective, a describing word. So I'm going to show you this, which is our morpheme frame, and you can see that you can build words using that morpheme frame. So I'm just going to hold that up to the screen, and I want you to see if you can build some word sums by adding these suffixes onto our root word rain. Okay, so let's have a look at what words you may have built. And I've written our word sums out here. There are 4 today because we've got 4 different suffixes on our morpheme grid. So the words that you could have built today are rains, and that would be a verb saying like it rains every Tuesday, for example. We've got rained, and again we've got that ed suffix there, which is always used to make a word into the past tense. So if you see an ed at the end of a word, it normally means that it happened in the past. So it rained, and when we say rained, it sounds like it's just rain with a d on the end, but that wouldn't work because in English it's the ed suffix, which means that it happened in the past. So we've got rained, we've got raining with our ing suffix if it's happening now, and then at the bottom there I've got rainy, which is an adjective because it might describe something, so saying it's a rainy day. And again, that e sound in rainy is written as a y at the end of words. So in words like baby, we've got Lucy has a y on the end, that makes a mummy. They all are spelt with a y. So when you're writing, if you think you've got a word and it's got that e sound on the end, it's more than likely going to be the letter y. Okay, so we've got rainy. So we've got 4 words here, and you're going to try and write 4 sentences. So 1 with the word rains in, 1 with rained, 1 with raining, and 1 with rainy. I've done it already, and I'm going to share my sentences with you, and then you can choose to either try and maybe pause the video after I've said my sentence and see if you can write the same sentence down, getting your spellings right, or you might be able to think up your own sentence using the different words. So here are my sentences. See if you can read it at home. So I wear my coat when it rains. I've got my capital I there, and then full stop at the end of rains. And see here, it rained last week. Okay, so that's in the past because it happened last week. I could say it rained yesterday because it was very rainy yesterday, wasn't it? Here we've got a sentence with the raining. So see if you can read that one. This is one of our sight words here as well. I looked out the window to see if it was raining. Okay, and then there's my last one there. Today is a rainy day. So rainy used with day to describe the day because it's an adjective. So 4 sentences today. I know it seems like quite a lot of writing, but you haven't got to think of the words today, the words I've given to you already. So good luck with that, and don't forget that capital letter and full stop at the end. Lots of words to do with rain. And then I'll be back with some more clusters or blends of sounds for you next week. Okay, bye.